Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 10 maths chapter 7 coordinate geometry, the fifth question in exercise 7.1. So let's look into the question, children. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at points A, B, C and D. Champa and Kamali walk into the class. There are 2 children, Champa and Kamali. They walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa is asking Kamali, don't you think ABCD is a square? Okay, so she thinks that these friends are seated in the shape of a square, whereas Kamali is what? Disagreeing. She says that no, they are not seated in a square. Okay, so we are going to use a distance formula to find who of them have told it correctly. Is it Champa or Kamali? So for this, we need to know the properties of a square. So what are the properties of a square? All 4 sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. If these 2 conditions are going to be satisfied, then we can say that they are seated in a square or not. Okay, so we are just given A, B, C and D, but we are given these rows and columns to help us know the coordinates. So we will write the coordinates for A, B, C and D, children. Okay, so for A, the coordinates are going to be 3, 4. Okay, and for B, here it is B, it is going to be 6, 7. And for C, it is going to be 9, 4. And for D, it is going to be 6, 1. Okay, so we'll first find out A, B, B, C, C, D and A, D, and then we'll find out the diagonals. Okay, so first we'll do for A, B. So we'll find out A, B square. So write on the formula. Distance formula is what? AB square is equal to, it will be x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so for AB square, it is going to be AB. I'll take B as x2. So it will be 6 minus 3 the whole square plus 7 minus 4 the whole square. So it will be 3 square plus 3 square. It will be 9 plus 9, which is going to be 18, or I can write it as 9 into 2. Okay, so my AB will be, AB square is what? 18. AB will be square root here, so which is going to be 3 root 2. Okay, we found out for AB. Similarly, we will find out for BC. So for BC, if I need to find out, okay, I am going to find out for BC square only again. Okay, so let this be here. So I am going to find out for BC square. So here I will take C as x2, y2. So it will be 9 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 7 the whole square. It is again going to be 3 square plus, it will be minus 3 the whole square. So which will again be 9 plus 9. Similar to the previous one we are getting. Okay, so your BC square is 18 and BC will be square root of 9 into 2. It is going to be 3 root 2. Okay, we've got AB and BC to be equal. So now we are going to find out for CD. So once again I'll write on the coordinates. A is going to be 3, 4. B is 6, 7. C is 9, 4. And D is 6, 1. So we'll do for CD now. So CD square will be, for CD I'll take it as 9 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square. It's again going to be 3 square plus 3 square, similar to the previous thing. It's going to be 9 plus 9 is going to be 18, or I can say this is CD square. CD will be square root of 9 into 2. It is going to be 3 root 2. Okay, so now we can say that AB, BC, CD are equal. So we will do for DA square is equal to, so I will do it as 6 minus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 4 the whole square, 3 square plus minus 3 the whole square. So it should be 9 plus 9, which will be 18. This is DA square. My DA will be square root of 9 into 2, which is going to be 3 root 2. So what have we got? We have got it like AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Okay, so next we have to prove that AC is equal to BD, okay, for the diagonals. Okay, so A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4, D 6, 1. Okay, so now we are going to find out for AC. So what is AC equal to? AC square is equal to, we are going to get it like, for A and C it is going to be 9 minus 3 the whole square plus 4 minus 4 the whole square. So here it is going to be 6 square plus 0. So it will be 6 square only. My AC square is 6 square. So my AC will be 6. Similarly, we are going to do for BD also. So what will be my BD here? So it will be 6 minus 6 the whole square plus 7 minus 1 the whole square. So this will again be 0. 0 plus 6 square. So my BD will be 6. So we've got AC is equal to BD also. So who is right, children? So Champa is asking. So Champa is right, okay, and Chamli is wrong. So we can say that ABCD is a square. Hence Champa is correct. Is it clear, children? Okay, so this is how you will have to proceed for this question. Please go through the video once again if you have any doubts. For doing all this, you need to be thorough with the properties of the different shapes. So please be thorough with that so that it will be easy for you. See you again in the next question in the next video, children. Thank you, children.